Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this cute little DIY Christmas gift I made for my mom's office at work. These are the supplies that I'm going to use. And first I'm going to take this chalk paint and cover this board that I already had at my house. I think it was less than $5 from Walmart. I want to say more like $3, but I can't remember. But I already had it, so I figured I would use it. And while the chalk paint dries, I am going to use this stain to stain these little mini clothespins that I already had at home as well. I really liked the deeper, richer color of the stain on the clothespins, so that's why I decided to do that step. And while those are drying, I am going to open up Microsoft Paint and type in some words that I would like on the board. I'm using, I think, size 200 on the bigger font, and I'm using size 72 on the smaller font. And my mom is getting ready to have her 6th grandchild due in January from my sister. So I figured it was time to update it. And I wanted to flip the words so that I can put it on the board, and I don't have a Cricut or a Silhouette, so what I like to do is I use some wax paper and cut it down to size and just print it on the wax paper like so, and then you transfer it onto the board. And unfortunately I lost footage of me putting it on the board. I just use an oil-based Sharpie to darken where the letters are. I basically use the transfer as a guide or a template to write my words on the board, and it turns out really cute. I really love how it turned out. It almost looks like it was printed on there. Next, I'm going to use this antique wax that I've already had at home, if you can't tell by the way the bottle looks. I use it a lot. And I'm just going to rub that all over the front of the plaque, and it kind of gives it an antique look, but it also serves as a protective coating and sealer. Next, I'm going to use the 2 extra screws from this picture hanging kit and attach them to the front of my board. And I'm going to use this twine that I got from Dollar Tree and wrap it around the screw and cut it short, and then use the screw to kind of bind it to the board. You could probably use a dollop of hot glue, but I really didn't want to mess around with hot glue today. And then I'm going to take those tiny little clothespins and attach them to the jute. And I think this is going to look so cute hanging up in my mom's office. Finally added the picture hanger to the back, and then I wrote a cute little love note to my mom so she'll always have it, and added a picture of my little pug.